Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I have a Felicity Jane unboxing for you, and this is for the Gabby kit. So it comes in a beautiful box like this and it says thank you. Of course she has the ribbon tied perfectly and it comes like this. So let's go ahead and unbox this now. So it always comes with this. This is like showing what papers there are in the kit. So I do like that. But she sent two little cards. I am enough and you've got this. I love that. That seems to be the theme of this kit. And then she sent this September for planners. So this color scheme is different than what she normally does. So here's the blue and here's the green. Then she's got this salmon color and then this pumpkin color. She's got stripes and then buffalo plaid. She's got stripes again and red with white polka dots. You see that? Then she's got pear and then this blue and white stripe. Then she's got this squiggly line. Can you see that? And then these flowers. And then she's got this wood grain and this graph paper. Then she's got this, it looks like little marks. And this beautiful flower. So it also comes with this alpha, these puffy little alphas. I love these because these are so small. And this kind of matches this blue-green color. Can't tell if it's blue or green. So it comes with one set, but I always order two more. Comes with this cardstock fringe. Like these little fringes that you can do. And then it comes with 4 little notebooks, and look, each of them you can open it like a traveler's notebook. I don't know how I'm going to use that in this kit, but isn't that adorable? So it comes with 4 of those. It does not come with the Gabby girl stamp. I get this always on my own because I collect these girls. It does come with this stamp. Today was amazing. Believe in yourself. Keep moving really hard. My goal, my journey, one step at a time. Take a deep breath. Through the challenges we bloom and grow. Gabby, you can do hard things. So that seems to be the theme of this month's kit. It also comes with project life cards. And on the back of every project life card is some kind of grid or dots where you can use the back of side if you don't want to use the front. So let's go this way. Says I am enough. The pear. Oh, that's a cute dot. This green and dot, this olive color. These stripes, stars. Oh, this flower in miniature form. Stripes again. Oh, I like this to write like a list of things. Good things take time. And this. Then let's go ahead and go through the die cut shapes. These are the things that come in the shape. The die cuts. So it comes with a bunch of tags, labels, flowers, these little tabbies, more flowers, the word goals, my journey. Here's Gabby. This is always my favorite. Notebook paper, more flowers, hearts. So there's that. And then the last thing is the Felicity Jane Gabby chipboard bits. And these chipboard bits are thicker. And this is what comes in the kit, or in this package, I should say. Look at how cute this little journal notebook is. Look at how cute this journal notebook is. Isn't that adorable? One day at a time, this, flowers, this little bow, my story, tabs, and hearts. Now the last thing that came with the kit is paper clips in this blue-green color, so it matches that. Okay, so there you have it. That is the Felicity Jane Gabby kit. Be on the lookout for layouts that I make with this kit. Okay. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy these types of unboxing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.